Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kesang, and if you're here for the first time or if you're still not subscribed to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot and that will make me really happy. So yeah, today's video is a get ready with me video where I will be doing my makeup as well as talking to you guys about why I wasn't posting on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all enjoyed this video. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm already done with my base, that is my foundation, my contour, and a little bit of bronzing. So I'll directly move on to my eyebrows. And I'm sorry if I'm like looking at the viewfinder again and again because I'll have to look at myself to make sure that my makeup is on place. So yeah. Alright, so for the brows, I will be using the L'Oreal brow kit, and oh my god, I cannot tell you guys how much I love this product. This is like my favorite product by far when it comes to eyebrows. It has a brush with spoolie in one side and an applicator on the other side, which is like basic. So I use Arco brush for these. So first up, I'll just use the spoolie itself to comb my eyebrows upwards. I'll take the powder bit, this one, and I'll just like start filling in my eyebrows. Alright, so it's been like almost a month that I haven't posted on my channel, and to be very honest with you guys, I was kind of disheartened or disappointed, should I say, with the response that I got from my 30 days 30 videos that I did on my channel last time. And so I decided to take a break. I needed to recharge myself. So yeah, I decided to take a break. I thought I wouldn't like post for a few days, but my bad luck, or what should I say, the West Bengal government decided to put the state under another lockdown. So the lockdown happened, and because of that, I could not go out to film any food vlogs, so I was not able to make any videos basically. So yeah, that was the reason that I was not able to post any content, because I figured that my audience are really enjoying the food vlogs that I make on my videos, like on my channel. So I wanted to like make food vlogs. I wanted to continue making food vlogs only, but because of this lockdown, I could not go out because everything is like closed, restaurants are closed. Because of that, I'm not able to make any food content. But once this lockdown lift, about your June 15th summer time and you're lockdown West Bengal ma. So once that lifts, I'll make sure that I come back with more food vlogs for you guys. But till then, I'll be making lifestyle vlogs, videos like this. I literally look like Sinjan, but don't worry, we'll fix that, guys. We will fix that. Let's trust the process of makeup. I'm gonna use a flat tip brush and take some of the concealer on the brush and fix my Sinchan eyebrows so that I can look like a girl again. Alright, so let's do this. I'm not sure who all are watching this video or who's gonna watch this video, but if you're watching like till now, then thank you so much for sticking around and taking your time to watch my videos. It literally means a lot. You guys have no idea how much YouTube means to me. But if you're watching this video, then please know that I'm like so grateful to you. This is like the one that I've like concealed, like corrected with the concealer, and this one is like raw. So girls, always make sure that you go in with your concealer once you like fill in with your brows, because it gives a very clean and sharp look. And for the eyes, I will be using the Nikake palette, the Nikake Autumn and Spice palette, and this is such a like beautiful palette, and I recently got it off of Nika, and Nika, by the way, was on sale. So if you guys are looking for a good everyday palette, then this is the one to go. Taking a angled eyeshadow brush, and I'll be taking this shade right here. So let me take some. So we are back to square one. It feels like we are back to And like 2020, you know, very lockdown by direct, so everything is like closed. We cannot go anywhere, and this sucks. Like this really sucks. I mean, like, I don't know when is the situation gonna get over, no? Kaile सक्छ जस्तो भइसक्यो होइन, and I'm sure a lot of you guys must be like feeling the same, because I know it's like so damn frustrating, and like waiting for this thing to finish. And when we thought I was like almost gone, it's like back, you know, like I am back when I आइदियो क्या. So 2021 पनि अब 2020 जस्तो नै feel हुँदैछ अहिले, and it seems like this year is also gonna go just like that, and it's like not cool. How are you guys coping up with the situation? Like, what are you guys doing to keep your sanity, you know? And I'm like, sure, like, I'm like still in a, like, I feel like I'm still in a very good place, you know? I'm like blessed because my parents are all like healthy and we are all home together. And like, my heart goes out to everybody out there who's like not with their parents, or like, you know, not with their family, and like going through so many like stuff. Please know that this situation is just gonna get better. This is gonna get over, and we just have to act responsible, you know. We just have to be hopeful and act responsible, and yeah, wait for it to get over, because there's nothing else that we can do. And I'll be taking this brown pigment here, and I'll be like going on my crease. Salga. If you guys didn't know, I run a store of handmade stuff on Instagram by the name theNasaé store, and you know, the store has been stagnant because of the lockdown situation, because I cannot go out to do local deliveries, you know. And although like we send products via post, but still it hampers a lot when you cannot like deliver stuff locally, you know. And I'm sure a lot of you guys who are like a small business owner like me understand this, can relate to this, you know, because it sucks. Like, we were like, it was like literally blooming, and then because of this lockdown it's like suddenly stagnant, and it's like so damn frustrating. So yeah guys, that is also that, you know, that's what's happening with the store also. And I was also a bit like caught up, and for the past month it hasn't been very like nice for me, you know. It kind of sucked, and this lockdown thing, the store was like stagnant, so it was like stressful because of that also. And personal life was also not very good. It was like it was like pretty bumpy, you know. And I was struggling to keep up with my mental health, and maybe because of that also I was not able to like put up anything, you know, because I was just giving the excuse of the lockdown. I cannot go out, I cannot film. Maybe that is why I was not putting any video. But that needs to change now, because if you don't change how you feel, then nobody else can, because you are your master, and your brain is like something that you need to control. So whatever you're gonna think, that's gonna happen in your life. So I'm only gonna think positive things for myself, and I hope you guys do the same. We're gonna like take the same brown with the help of this small tipped eyeshadow brush or a liner brush, and then we're gonna put it over our lower lash line. So I'm gonna put the same thing. It's the Nika K Ocean Eyes palette, and it's got gorgeous blue shades. But what I'm gonna do is I will be taking this white eyeshadow with the help of a small tip brush, and I'm gonna like place it on my inner corners. Let me put some on my brow bones as well to make them pop. I'm not gonna be doing any eyeliner because I don't want to, but I'll just use the mascaras. And I always put like waterproof mascara, a non-waterproof mascara, before I put the waterproof one, because it helps in like removing the mascaras easily. As for the lipstick, I'll be like using this very like nude shade. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the final look, and look how dully I look these days. I'm sure a lot of you guys must be like struggling with the same thing, gaining weight during the lockdown. And yeah, I'm just like dealing with mine. So yeah, I think that is like pretty much that all I wanted to say to you, like tell you guys. If you guys have any requests or suggestions of videos that you'd like me to do on my channel, then feel free to leave them in the comment section, or you guys can DM me on my Instagram handle, that is at @KesangLMC. And also one more thing before I forget, that I tell you guys that I got vaccinated yesterday. That is like that was on 1st of May. And yeah, if you guys want me to share how it went, or why I got vaccinated, or how are you supposed to like do the registration and everything, let me know. I'll be happy to make a video about it. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. Please stay safe, stay home, and please be responsible, and we shall get through this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Stay creative and stay curious. Peace out.